To fix a restricted Robinhood account, start by understanding the reasons behind the restriction. Robinhood may restrict accounts due to various reasons such as suspicious activity, incomplete account information, or non-compliance with regulatory requirements. First, log into your Robinhood account and navigate to the Help Center to see the specific reason for the restriction. If the issue is due to incomplete account information, update your profile with the required details. Ensure your name, address, and date of birth match the information on your government-issued ID. Next, verify your identity by submitting the necessary documents. This may include a valid government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport, and a utility bill or bank statement to confirm your address. Make sure the documents are clear and legible to avoid any delays in the verification process. If your account is restricted due to suspicious activity, you may need to contact Robinhood support directly. Explain the situation and provide any additional information requested by the support team. Be prepared to answer questions about your account activity and provide context for any transactions that may have triggered the restriction. To avoid restrictions in the future, ensure you comply with Robinhood's terms and conditions. This includes using your account for legitimate purposes, reporting any changes to your account information, and monitoring your account activity regularly. Additionally, keep your account information up to date, including your email address and phone number, to receive important notifications from Robinhood. By following these steps and maintaining a compliant account, you can resolve the restriction and continue using your Robinhood account without any issues. It is essential to note that the specific steps to fix a restricted Robinhood account may vary, depending on the reason for the restriction. Therefore, it is crucial to carefully review the information provided by Robinhood and follow their instructions to resolve the issue promptly.